Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today is a very big day because I am selling one of my kids.
Yes, it's a horrible bag.
So here's what's happening. If you've been watching, you know this car, Satan. This is Satan right here. This is son of Satan, right? Remember I had to take the whole back seat off and all of the interior trim just to get this door to line up? And look how pretty that is. Okay, well, I asked what I should do and lots of people did respond, so thank you very much. And we're saying goodbye to son of Satan. Yeah, I know some people said fix her up and keep her, but I just have so many projects, and this one, she has bitten me over and over and over again, and it's just time to say goodbye. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of fixing it up to make it a little more presentable for the next owner. So what I'm doing, I found all the little trim pieces here in the trunk. We're missing a spare. So what I'm going to do is take the spare from there and put it in there. Why? Well, the buyer of this car is a local attorney.
Oh,
and we all know
no.
that you want to keep attorneys very, very happy. And I've been completely honest with him. He knows that the cats are gone right now. He knows that the radio does not work. There are some issues. I told him. I even told him about the channel. He might even watch this video. I hope so, because it'll tell him a lot about the car. But I'm very honest with this. And so what I want to do, the radio does not work in this car. The radio does work in that car, and since that car needs some engine work and it's going to be a couple of weeks, I'm going to take the radio from there and put it in here, because this guy's going to use this to travel across the state of Oklahoma, and you need some tunes. So let's show you how to remove the radio from Satan and put it in Son of Satan. Okay, so we know the radio is working because we have some fantastic music on the radio. Listen. Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is take this radio and put it in the other car so our new attorney friend can have some tunes. First thing you want to do, and this is super, super easy, is basically just pull this centerpiece out right here. You kind of go from the edge right here, give it a good yank, kind of squeeze this little part through the shifter bezel, and there is a connector right here that you do want to disconnect right there. Then put this aside, and next we have our ashtray, and this was super easy to get out. Just get a screwdriver. There's two little clips right here. Pop this out, and this thing will slide out once you have the car in drive. So this can move. So keep your foot on the brake while you do this. So this comes out. Now, then we get a T20 right here. There are two screws. Kaboom, kaboom. Turn, 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 turn. And watch what happens. This comes out as well. This one has two connectors. Not too difficult to get rid of. They have a little tab at the top. There's one. And then this one right here, which I'll probably get out on the camera. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so there's your HVAC unit. Put that aside, and to get the radio, it's just two more screws, 1 and 2. So right here, just unscrew this, and then take off the back connections, and then get the other car ready to receive your radio. So I'll tune you guys in to that. Let me take this out and then I'll be back. We hit a little monkey wrench. Yeah, get that. This part has to come out. So basically what you have to do is, with a plastic tool, do not use a metal screwdriver, which is of course what I used, but you kind of pry this back. 1, 2, 3, and this is flexible, so this will give a little bit. That's fine, and it'll clean up. But pry this off, and there you see two more screws. You have another Torx 20 right there and another Torx right there. Then the radio should come out. I'm going to try to leave this attached. I bet I have to take it off. But then you see this just all slides out. So we're going to put this in the other car, all right? Stay tuned. We're back inside Son of Satan now, and I want to show you the connectors. They've kind of changed these a little bit as Mercedes has come along. It's just one big one right there. Right here, the little latch you pull down, and then you push 2 little tabs, and these things come off. So let's see if I can get the camera to stand still, and then we can put this back in, and we'll see if Mr. Lawyer Man's going to have some tunes. Okay, this is balancing on my leg, so if it's a little jerky, I'm sorry, but watch this. Okay, let's do these first. Yellow, black and pink. There we go. This just latches right here, and this clips into place. Look at that. Voila. And then focus, focus. Stay with me. There you go. All right. Do we have tunes? Let's find out. No. So what's wrong? Well, so the issue isn't the radio. The issue... Ooh, okay. Well, Mr. Radio, Mr. Lawyer Man, I don't know what to do then. I'm just going to have to put the other one back in, and, well, it's what you were expecting when you bought it. You'll have a spare tire, okay? So that's a good thing, because I'll give you that. And then I did go ahead and remove this clip right here. See how this doesn't match? This came from Satan. So when you close this, it strikes that right there. No, 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 no. Don't. You're going to crack it. What are you moving for anyway? You don't want to do that. Okay. See? She's haunted. But that will tell the car the door's closed, which puts this all the way up, which makes a nice seal right here. So, we tried. Okay, let's do the spare tire, and I think we'll be good. Okay.
You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit.
All right, Satan, let that be a lesson to you. You don't mess with me or you end up shoeless. Okay, so we'll have to go to LKQ and get another spare tire. I still have to find a matching one for Satan. Son of Satan, looking pretty good. Can you hear that? Storms are brewing. Maybe Son of Satan doesn't want to go. Okay, so what we have is, excuse me, is a spare tire. Look at that. So when the Mr. Lawyer Man is driving, he will be good to go, should he have a flat. I hope he does not. But I still have to get him a brake light right here. We had a license plate light that was out, so I put in a new light bulb for him there. And I think that's going to do it. We have the car ready to go. We have a new license plate light. We have some brake lights I've put in there, a couple of those as well. I've checked all the fuses for the radio. I can't get that to work, but it has a spare tire now, and it's running, it's driving. He's going to be very happy. It's a very inexpensive car. So we're going to say goodbye to Son of Satan, and we're going to leave Satan right here. Three-footed Satan. We still have to get a wheel for her. So say goodbye to that car. We'll have some more projects coming up, everybody. And thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Lots of thunder, lots of lightning out here. Is that a sign? I don't know. Okay, bye everybody.